When you have multiple layers of papers, it's easy to spot clean the bird's cage because you can easily pick up one layer of papers and now you've actually spot cleaned the cage and removed some of the stuff that's on the bottom of the cage. Keeping it spot cleaned is important for your bird's health and safety. So spot cleaning a cage should happen 2 to 4 times a day, no matter what, because parrots, especially African greys, are ground foragers and they like to go down on the ground and forage around. So as you can see, Coco has a piece of arugula there, which she'll probably want to eat a little bit later on. But every day, the entire papers get picked up, as well as the top layer a few times a day.